Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are very good, doing well and studies, preparing for your 5th unit test. Okay, so we are going to do today fourth poem, that is Childhood, written by Marcus Nathan. Okay, the topic itself tell about so many things. Childhood means what? Childhood. So the poet is telling कि where has my childhood gone, मेरा childhood कहाँ चला गया. Poet was asking about himself. Okay, so I am going to read the first para and then we will explain the things. Okay, when did my childhood go? Was it the day I chased by to be 11? Was it the time I realized that hell and heaven could not be found in geography and therefore could not be was there that the day? Means here the poet wants to tell कि where my childhood gone, where my childhood gone, it is मेरा childhood कहाँ चला गया. वो टाइम कि जब मैंने 11 क्रॉस किया, I chased 11, I entered in 12th year. On that time my childhood has gone. Or in sometimes our elderly people says कि if you will do some bad things you will go in heaven, if you did good things or good everything, helping peoples and everything, that you will go to heaven. But if you will not do good things, you will do bad things, naughty, you will do naughty pana, that then you will go to, God will send it to you in hell. Okay, so the poet is telling ke was it the time that I realized that hell and heaven, मैं रियलाइज करूँ कि हेल एंड पोएट वॉज इन दैट स्टेट के ही वॉज थिंकिंग दैट हेल एंड हेवन इज द प्लेस, वहाँ कहीं मेरा चाइल्डहुड चला गया है. एंड ही वॉज फाइंडिंग दैट हेल एंड हेवन इन द जोग्राफिकल एरिया, मीन्स जोग्राफिकल सर्कमस्टेंसेस के अंदर, अर्थ के अंदर वो ढूंढ रहा है. ही इज़ फाइंडिंग where is hell and heaven, but he comes to know the time when he comes to know that hell and heaven is not in entire geographical area. At that time he lost his childhood and therefore could not be, and he will never find that place in geography because that was not the place. At that time he got कि he lost his childhood, means okay, that the poet is in that dilemma. Chased means ended or stop in this first paragraph. And he was thinking कि when I cross my 11th year, then at that time I lost my childhood, or he thought कि his childhood has gone to some place that is hell and heaven, and he was finding that hell and heaven in this geographical area. Okay, and in the last, now poet is thinking in a rational thought. Okay, where the childhood has gone. Okay, so now I am going to read the summary also. The poet seems puzzled about the loss of childhood. It is natural in the process of growing up. Still, the poet tries to find an answer to his two queries. When did my childhood go? And where did my childhood go? When and where, these both questions are disturbing the poet, where and when his childhood has gone. In the first, probability of the time of departure of his childhood relates to the age when he had completed the age of 11. it was then that he developed a power of understanding. Means he started thinking, okay, thinking and power of understanding. He locate then he become aware that hell and heaven could not be found in geography. Then he has come to know that hell and heaven is not the place in this geographical, since they could not be located anywhere in the world. Absolutely right. He conclude that they did not exist. He thus reached a logical conclusion based on his reasoning power. Okay. So he is thinking like that. Now students, second paragraph. When did my childhood go? Was it the time I realized that adults were not all they seems to be? They talked to love and preached of love, but did not act so lovingly. Was that the day when now the poet is giving second probabilities where and when his childhood has gone. Now he is talking about the elderly people in our house. So he is telling about elderly people, in which he said the second possibility relates to the time when he realized that the hypocrisy of the adult. See, hypocrisy of the adult. Now what the child thinks about the adult. They were not all that they seems to be. Every time they were not same as they seems to be. यानी वो होते हैं जैसे दिखते हैं वैसे होते नहीं है. Sometimes our parents treat the children like they were very small and kid and everything, and other in a friction of second or some few minutes after, they again treated their child or children as a grown up. Okay, so the poet is telling ke hypocrisy of the adult. They were not at that they seems to be. They talked of love and gave advice of love. They talk of love, and every time they give advice of love, okay, we have to be together, we have to love this, blah blah, but did not act so affectionately. But when it comes to them, they did not do like that. They react in a different way. Okay, so the poet is trying to tell in the second stanza about the elder ke they tell us about love and they act seems to be love, but they were not the they will not pretend. Okay, so in now in third paragraph, when did my childhood go? When was it when I found my mind was really mine to use whichever why I choose, producing thoughts that were not those of other people but my own and my alone. Was that day when I lost my childhood. Now in third paragraph, the poet is telling about the third probability or the possibility is it relates to the time when he found that he was the master of his own mind. He could use it whichever way he chose. He could now produce his own thoughts and need to repeat those thoughts of others. A sense of individuality drawn on him. He wonders whether he lost his childhood on one of these days. Okay, so now in this third paragraph, poet is thinking that now I am grown up, I have my own thinking, I have my own masters of mastermind. I have my own thoughts and I can do the things that which the adult has done. Okay, I have my own individuality. And when poet was thinking like that, I have my own individualities and I am the mastermind of myself, my thoughts. And the poet is asking, on that time I lost my childhood. Okay, now see the last paragraph. What is this last paragraph says? Where did my childhood go? It went to some forgotten place. Where? Poet is telling, where did my childhood go? Poet is not getting answer. मेरा childhood कहाँ चला गया? It went to some forgotten place. वो कहीं भूली बिसरी जगह पे चला गया है कि जहाँ जाके मैं खुद वो चला गया है और मैं जो जगह भूल गया हूँ. That's hidden in an infant place. Now in this line poet is telling to say कि वो that hidden in an infant face, यानी मेरा चाइल्डहुड, वो जो जब बच्चे होते हैं, when we were infant or a child, in we have the innocent type of face. All the children when they were, all the people, all the children when they were small, they have cute and innocent face. So the poet is telling कि my childhood has gone to their hidden face. वो जो उनका childhood innocent सा, प्यारा सा, cute सा face था, उस वो और अब जब मैं बड़ा हो गया हूँ, बड़ा हो रहा हूँ, तो जो वो फेस चेंजिंग होता है, यानी फिजिकली चेंज हो रहा है, तो वो चेंजेस के अंदर मेरा चाइल्डहुड कहीं हाइड नहीं हो गया. द पोएट इज टेलिंग, ही इज थिंकिंग लाइक दैट कि दैट इज़ ऑल आई नो. एंड पोएट इज टेलिंग कि मैं सिर्फ इतना मुझे पता चल सकता है. नाउ व्हाट in the final poet is telling, in the final stanza the poet dwells on the problem where his childhood has disappeared. On the basis of his limited knowledge, he thinks that his childhood went to some forgotten place that was hidden in an infant face. The poet impels that adolescence follows childhood in the same way as children has replaced infancy. It is a stage in the process of growing up. Now in the last line the poet is admitting that it is the process of growing up, in that I have lost my childhood. Okay, so this was the poem and it was expressed in a very nice and manner. So please go through the poem. It was very nice and I hope you have understood the poem. Thank you.